Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my world. My name is Lynn Zabu and this is Lynn Zab's world. Oh, the light. Anyway, today we are doing cleaning, general cleaning. Like when I'm at home, I do a lot of gardening and chicken farming, and so today we are just going to change the soil from the polythene bags that we once had lots of vegetables, and changing it for the season. I'm actually late for this season. Yeah, I'm actually late for this season, but yeah, we continue. So let me show you. So this is dodo, but my neighbors have been eating all of it recently. But so this soil has had fruits once, like you see this is skuma and more skuma and strawberries. I haven't eaten any strawberry from these berries, guys. Let me know what I'm doing wrong. This was a cauliflower and I have flowers. Basically around my home it's dirty, not dirty, bushy, so we want to clean all these bushes and make our home look really nice. I love flowers, and this specific papyrus is because I don't like people seeing me from that side. You see that side, people stand on those houses and kinda see me. So I really love this papyrus because it also reminds me of the village. So today is cleaning day, that's why everything looks like a mess. These are the last green peppers from our garden. The last green peppers from the garden. I have Michael helping me out as usual. And then we've cleared this. The soil is looking really nice. The soil is looking nice. The cassava is grown. The bananas are up. Kojamba. Everything is so interesting. Mike, banayiwawo ettaka eddala tundubaali lyange olikubye ekitiiyo. Kulaba mukyala Godi ali bulala. Now I understand why red cabbages are very expensive. Guys, this is like 6 months old, but it's not, getting big. We also have these ones. They're not getting big. And then this, I thought this was supposed to be a broccoli of some sort, but then it turns out it wasn't a broccoli. But then I don't also think it was a skuma wiki. So now they have brought seeds, and then I have lots of flowers in the garden. It's all looking so beautiful. So all this is going to be destroyed today. That was our tomato garden. Ngodukayo. This was our tomato garden, and now it's all so old, grown old. Now we need to fix it. Guna mti kisebo? I don't think so. Guys, what tree is that? Before I cut it out, what tree is that? So today we just picked our last bunch of tomatoes from here. As you can see, we've eaten these tomatoes, I think, for the last 3 months, but now it's all bad. And then we have more soil packed in these polythene bags. These are ready, but we are just waiting for... I don't even have a nursery bed. I think I'm going to buy already grown seeds to put in because I don't have time now. My mango tree is growing, and my how do you call that? That tree, soursop. It's also beautiful. Ate ebyo nga tobijjeewo, sooka oggyeewo ebyo Mike. Obadde ondekerawo ddagala? N'ogwo omuti gukuulewo. Wanga siraba nti gulina olugendo. This is an avocado tree that we are removing because it's in a very wrong location. This is supposed to be my nursery bed area. Sembeeza ddala awo wekka wamala. Awamala Mike. So the other thing that he's doing, this is my neighbor helps me cook for my dogs in this saucepan, but this is our manure, the one we get from the chicken house. We just lay it there. So I want to pick this dodo here, this one. I want to pick this dodo and take it to my chicken. I've actually already given them something, but for some reason... Let's go! You see what they have done here? They've just done a massacre. Yes, I have to remove this. And tie this. I don't know how I'm going to remove it. This one here. So I've tied it up, and as you can see, they're having fun. Wanji mama. We are going to eat sugar cane from my garden. I just needed sugar cane. I know it's young, don't complain. Mixing bibyo.
Ipi yo julira.
One minute, that's too. Michael, where Olate wera.
Neraba.
Ojambulungi. Oli otya Michael? Abadde ndudde okulaba.
Embeera yo mpola mpola.
Ngokola ki?
Agiya.
Ngoyiya.
Agiya.
Anti kati obudde bwa campaign ndaba ebikuli ku ssaati. Nani oyo oli n'olani?
Ono mukulembeze wange. Bobi Wine.
Mukulembe amwogedde.
Bobi Wine wange ono.
Oya Bobi Wine wo?
Ate omulala. Ono kansala.
Kati tokooye.
Amanyi gakyalimu.
There is still some energy, eh? Okay. So guys, Michael has been helping me the entire day. I mean the entire day. As we speak, it's about 6 or around 6. But we've managed to clear everything and then put all this soil in these bags. I don't have a nursery bed, shame on me, so I'm likely to buy already germinated seedlings. Naye Michael, mgongo tegukuluma?
Mgongo.
Tegunakuluma. Okay. Kale. Ochali fine. So I have a lot of sacks here. These are the tomatoes that are still remaining, but they're all going to go. This is the soil we worked on last week. So I spend most of my time trying to garden at home. I have a lot of trees actually germinating around my compound, and I actually don't know what to do for them. Should I cut them? Michael, gwamti ogena gutemao. Tulekeo guneno. Sacha.
Mami jali. Ogabulya mama.
Sir. Kyoyagala asokoleke, goguleke.
Olimba.
Akauka kanumi.
mie. Andang kama masasi le.